Nvidia, the largest company in the world and a bellwether for AI, reported its quarterly results on Wednesday evening and gave a pretty strong indication that AI is continuing to boom. The report came at an interesting juncture in the AI boom. There's been this feeling of, okay, this boom has reached a state where it's almost become artificial in some ways, or it's being propped up in some ways by Nvidia.
This AI bubble talk continues to lead many conversations.
People talk about an AI bubble, these AI stocks propping up the market. Is the bubble starting to burst?
So Nvidia's results today kind of showed that Nvidia can still grow. It's still doing very well. It still has improving prospects. And so that's really setting people's minds at ease around the state of the trade. When Nvidia reports its sales, it's effectively saying, this is what the demand is for AI computing power. And the demand for AI computing power reflects how much confidence the buyers of those chips have in AI itself. This quarter has been an especially consequential one, just because of the backdrop here. Before this earnings report, its stock fell about 10%. And there have been all these concerns recently about the AI boom being potentially a bubble. Investors have been very jittery about any stocks tied to AI, including Nvidia, including companies that do AI cloud computing like CoreWeave and Nebius and some others. While this report certainly is being received well in the markets, I don't think it calms all of the concerns around AI in general. None of the stuff that people have raised as issues with the AI boom has gone away. I mean, there are still a lot of circular dealings between companies like Microsoft, OpenAI, Anthropic, and Nvidia, clearly. And there are concerns around the level of spending that's going into AI and the lack of commensurate returns on that spending. None of that has really eased. But at least for now in the markets, it seems like people are pretty happy with how Nvidia is doing, and they're pretty happy that there's no indication of a slowdown in spending on AI from these results. Nobody's popping the champagne in the market, but it certainly has removed some of the jitters around Nvidia itself and around AI.